Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, get that channel shout out. That was fast. We have Hike with Mike. Channel I've been sub to for, man, years. I will show you his sticker here. Alright, so he's actually way up here towards the top. Right next to Open Air Fish Market, which is now Enduring Patriot. So he had a little channel name. I don't have a new sticker for him yet, though. Fab Creations, hope you're well, brother. Bushcraft and Baseball. M.I. Woodsman, or the Missing in Action Woodsman. I do see him on Facebook, but he doesn't really comment or make videos anymore. I know he's still watching, at least he told me he was. And then we have Carolina Chris Outdoors. So, good dude. Alright, well there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their links will be down in the description below. Knock on wood that they actually work. I don't know, sometimes they don't work, but I get the direct link right off the top address bar, and I put it right in the description. So if it doesn't work, there'll still be an end card. Hopefully that will work. And as always, I do thank you for watching. And I also I take a moment to salute our fine servicemen and women, from our recruits clear to our veterans, and also 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. 22 a day, no more. I also like to throw in a special thanks to our EMT and first responders, saving lives out there every day. I think they deserve something, some recognition as well. And with that, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.